All right, back cooking with Chef P and Bonz. Bonz in the Bucket is a St. Louis style way of barbecuing, but the chef just don't barbecue. He cooks, and what you're looking at is a stream of dark chocolate with white chocolate, and in that stream is what we call the fruit of paradise. All the little fruities, the little birds are streaming down in the chocolate. And all I can say, family, is Bonz in the bucket, it may shall be, that will be me, woo. Okay, family. The little birds of paradise, fresh fruit birds of paradise, are making their way upstream where they can go home. And as always, you already know, you rolling the coolest show in all the land. Going with Chef P and Bonz.